you and good morning.
Ba't po kayo pinipino? Ay, titignan ko pa sila. Ito sila.
Madam Ende.
Sama tayo.
Itong dalawa ko. Ito papunta rin dito.
What can you say about your trip in Iloilo?
Nice!
Nice, there were a lot of clouds.
Yeah, daming clouds.
Tiring, but mainit, pero it's okay. It's okay. Nice to be here in Iloilo. Init. Grabe.
Sobrang init. Sobrang.
Welcome to the city of
Okay, sandali. Yung youngest, siya mag-blow-blow na. Ay, eksaktong birthday. Ayun. Youngest at saka eksaktong birthday. Ang galing talaga. Okay. Honors, please. Oo, sige na. Alam ko, miss ka pa eh. Okay. Low. Make a wish. Happy birthday! Mata-boyfriend.
Ano sabihin natin? Good morning. We are now going to the venue for the mid-year convention. Today is April 13, 2007.
Friday the 3rd.
And finally, we are going to the, I think this is a famous tourist spot. And in a few minutes, I think we are going to start the opening ceremony with the National Court of Canet together with the Philippines.